Sawadika. Welcome to I am Duan Pen. Today I'm gonna cook Thai green curry. First, coconut cream, palm sugar, green garlic paste. You can buy everywhere in shopping center here. Chopped chili, chopped carrot, chopped bean, Thai basil leaf, chicken, fish sauce, and coconut milk. Let's start cooking. First thing, I'm gonna clean chicken lump stick again with the hot water. I'm gonna put chicken lump stick for 15 minutes for clean smell or own blood from inside chicken lump stick. I clean like this when I start cooking, and it just smell chicken much, so more tasty, more better. One thing, don't forget put the sauce in when you clean the kitchen. That's good. After 10 minutes, looking that how dirty of chicken, own blood and fat. Okay, I'm gonna clean it. Now I clean the chicken. Just run with the cool water and come like this, clean. Now we can start cooking. Just leave here. First thing, we need to add coconut cream. Why we need to add coconut cream first? Because we need oil come from coconut cream, and the cream curry smells so good. Now when you see your coconut cream get bubble hot, time for we can add green garlic paste inside. So I'm gonna add all. Oh, smells so strong herb. Make sure the time you keep stir, when you add the green garlic paste in, make sure it's not dry. If dry, you can add just a little bit coconut milk into. Now I can smell the herb. So you can add chicken in. And then we add 2 cups of coconut milk. You don't need to stir much, just like this, but just make sure it's not stick underneath the pan. So just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna leave about 15 minutes. Don't forget to turn it when you're cooking. Make sure it's not stick. If stick, your chicken will be burned, no good to eat. Now I'm gonna check the chicken is cooked or not. So I'm gonna use the fork. Seal blood come out, look. So I'm gonna keep about 5 minutes. Hey, I'm gonna show you what is good for you. You see this? Oil from coconut cream. The first time I put in the pan and keep stir before add the green garlic paste in. See the oil from coconut cream come up. This is no worry, you not get fat for this. It's good for your skin, to make your skin not dry. That's why we don't use cooking oil to cook green garlic. We use oil from coconut cream. Okay, now 15 minutes. Food look like this. And now I'm gonna add the last ingredients. It's vegetable. I'm gonna add carrot and bean. Okay, keep stir a little bit. Can't wait. Smells so nice. I'm gonna leave the vegetable about 10 minutes. I have to tell you one thing. I'm so sorry about I can't show you about how to make green garlic paste. I'm not live in Thailand at the moment, So what I can do, I just use the green garlic from the jar, the one I buy from shopping center or from local Asia shop. Everywhere have it. Even vegetable I add in. Some people think, oh, it's not really like green garlic add in, but what I can find from where I live here, carrot and bean is good enough. So I use what I have got. Okay, after we add vegetable in, now we're gonna add this palm sugar. In here sell like this, but in Thailand more like soft. We can get from spoon, but here sell like this is same 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna add in and 1 fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Perfect. Keep stir. Make sure palm sugar is not hard. Wow, looks so good. Okay, you can see just a little bit fat from chicken, but not much because I took the skin off when I cooking green curry because I don't like skin. Look at that, just really I can't find fat from the chicken because the first on beginning I clean the chicken is very good, but what you see now is fat from coconut cream. It's good for you. Let's have a quick taste. Oh my god, I don't need to add anything more. Oh, very delicious. Tastes very good. So now I'm gonna add the red chili chop, basil leaf. Don't forget, you need to always add basil leaf when the green curry is finished. Keep stir. Oh my god, it smells so good when you add the basil leaf in. So I'm gonna add some dry. Now I have my rice. So time to serve up. The long stick very big. Here we are. Wow. Finished for today. Okay. Don't forget like, subscribe,